Good morning, fam. Let's start your day with energy and purpose. This 5-minute morning wake-up routine is designed to loosen up your muscles, open your body, and get your blood flowing. All you need is a little space and a willingness to move. We'll combine stretches and dynamic movements to shake off stiffness and energize your entire body. And I promise you, by the end of it, you'll feel your entire body filled with energy. Let's hit the mat. Start on all fours, with your hands shoulder width apart and your knees under your hips. Spread your fingers wide and press through your palms as you lift your hips high, creating an inverted V shape. Let your heels sink toward the mat, feeling the stretch along your hamstrings and calves. Inhale deeply, lengthening through your spine, and exhale as you press your chest gently toward your thighs. If it feels good, pedal your feet, bending one knee, then the other, to deepen the stretch. Feel the tension release along your back and legs, grounding yourself for the movements ahead. One last breath here, and then we'll transition to cat-cow stretch. Come down to all fours, with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. As you inhale, arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone toward the sky. This is your cow stretch. Exhale, rounding your spine, tucking your chin to your chest, drawing your belly button toward your spine. This is your cat stretch. Flow between these movements, letting your breath guide you. Each arch opens your chest and stretches your back, while each round releases tension along your spine. Move slowly and intentionally, letting your body find its natural rhythm. Finish with one last stretch before rising to your feet for the deep squat into T rotation. Stand tall with your feet slightly wider than hip width apart. Lower yourself into a deep squat, keeping your heels grounded and your chest lifted. Place your right hand on the ground in front of you and extend your left arm toward the sky, twisting your torso open into a T shape. Bring your left arm down, then twist to the opposite side, extending your right arm toward the sky. Alternate sides, moving with control, and letting the rotation stretch your spine and open your chest. Feel the power in your legs as you hold the squat, and the release in your upper body with each twist. From a standing position, hinge forward at the hips and let your hands reach toward your toes. Bend your knees as you sink into a squat. Bring your hands to your shins or the floor. Then press through your heels to extend your legs straight while still touching your toes. This dynamic movement engages your legs and core while stretching your back and hamstrings. Flow through the squat to stand, finding a steady rhythm that feels good for your body. Keep your movements fluid, like a spring compressing and releasing. One final rise here, and then we'll finish strong with a chest opener. In a kneeling position or standing tall with your feet hip width apart, interlace your fingers behind your back and lift your arms slightly as you pull your shoulders back. Open your chest, feeling the stretch across your shoulders and the front of your body. Take deep breaths here, allowing your chest to expand with each inhale and release with each exhale. Let the stretch counteract the effects of hunching over phones, desks, or steering wheels. Hold steady, letting your body relax into the openness. One last deep breath here, feeling strong and ready for the day. Great job, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've stretched, strengthened, and energized your entire body. Keep this routine in your back pocket for those mornings when you need a quick boost. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to save it to a personal playlist and smash the subscribe button. Stay strong, stay flexible, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go!